this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your age on Roblox after the recent chat verification update. Let's get started. First, launch your Roblox app. Now click on the gear icon given at the top right. Then select the option settings. Once you're in this page, navigate to this section, account info. Here you're going to find the section for age group and then birthday. In case you haven't verified your age, you can just click on this paper and pen kind of icon and edit your birthday, or use an ID to verify your birthday. But in case you have already verified this, what you want to do is click on the settings icon again. Click on the option Help and Safety. Click on Help Center. You will be directed to this page. Now here you're going to find the search box. Type in Change Age. With that, different options will pop up. Select the option How do I change my age? Over here as well, you're going to find different steps that you can use to change your age. But as you have verified your age, what you want to do is scroll down. Navigate to the option Need Help. Contact support team. You will be directed to this page. Now you will need to fill out this form. Type in your username, first name, email address, confirm it. Select the device in which you are using Roblox. Then select the help category. And lastly, you will need to properly describe about the issue. You will need to explain that you want to change your age. If you are a parent, you'll probably need to explain that to Roblox support. You might also want to let your child know about getting parental approval if they are trying to change your age. Be sure to explain what happened clearly in your message. After that, Roblox will review your request and reset the age verification on your account. Once that's done, you can re-verify your age and hopefully get placed in the correct age group. That's it. This is how you can easily change your age on Roblox after recent chat verification. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.